Concatenating two one-dimensional numpy arrays. How do I concatenate two one-dimensional arrays in numpy? I tried numpy.concatenate, but I get an error. Type error, only length 1 arrays can be converted to Python scalars.
The first parameter to concatenate should itself be a sequence of arrays to concatenate.
Use. The arrays you want to concatenate need to be passed in as a sequence, not as separate arguments. From the numpy documentation, numpy.concatenate, a 1, a 2, axis equals 0, join a sequence of arrays together. It was trying to interpret your b as the axis parameter, which is why it complained it couldn't convert it into a scalar.
An alternative is to use the short form of concatenate, which is either r_ or c_, as shown in the example code beneath. See link for additional information. Which results in
There are several possibilities for concatenating 1D arrays, e.g. all those options are equally fast for large arrays. For small ones, concatenate has a slight edge. The plot was created with perfplot.
Vorsicht, Frau Glückshöhe.